How to fix your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations of our community guidelines on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can fix if your TikTok account has been permanently banned due to multiple violations of community guidelines. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first option that you can do is appeal the ban. TikTok provides a way to appeal bans directly to the application or to any other support channels. So if you're already logged in into your TikTok account, on your ban notice, you will see appeal or submit an appeal button. You have to tap on it. After that, you have to fill in required information and explain that why you believe the ban was a mistake. There you have to be polite, honest, and specific. If possible, state how you have reviewed the community guidelines and will follow them. But if you're not logged in and if you cannot appeal the form from the account, then you have to visit the TikTok support. For that, open up Google or the Chrome browser in your device and in the search bar, type in TikTok support. Head towards the first link, scroll down a bit, and here you can search for report a problem or select report a problem. Scroll down and here you can tap on report another issue and then select online reporting form. Now here you can report your problem. On this drop down here you can select the account ban or suspension. Scroll down and here makes you to follow this instructions given here. And the next option is to email TikTok support. You can also send an email explaining your situation to any of the emails such as feedback@tiktok.com or the legal@tiktok.com. And there you can include your reason, your username, the date you were banned, and respectful explanation in appeal. Now you have to wait for the response. Appeals can take a few days to a week. Then the TikTok will usually reply via email or update your application. And that's how you can fix your problem. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.